What's going on, guys? I'm gonna make a quick video on how to replace a wing window, and then, well, pretty much 97 back forward. What is that? 80 to 97. So now some of them are a little different. I don't know. I can't remember how they're different, like because they're rounded. But I was going down the road with it open, and semi threw a rock from its tools and busted it. So at least it wasn't all the way open. It actually stayed in there for a while. But yeah, flopped out this morning going to work. So let's go to the line of junk. Alright, so this is my little fort junk, full of about everything. Ain't that the Dodge mirror? Some wheel simulator. I got a whole bunch of shit in here. Downpipe. But what we're really after is the wing window. I have this whole crew cab that I bought. It was wrecked. Just mostly for parts, but so in order to do this, I'm gonna try and do it one-handed, see how talented I am. So tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 7mm to take take these off. These are 7mm, there's 2 of them. And this just holds the wing window up. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. Not the biggest fucking one or the smallest one you can buy. But what you want to do is just pull the screws out of the panel. There's one here. Obviously 2 on the switch panel, which on extended cab or regular cab, it's just 1 that pops up. And you got what? This should be a Phillips head screw, but it's not. Anyways, there should be 3 Phillips head. Unless you still got one here, but most people don't. So 4, I guess. And then you got one in the armrest, right there, all covered in shit. So I'll pull that off and show you. All right, when you get this little switch panel out, there is 2 Phillips head screws. You take that one out and take that one out, and it just unplugs. So. Yeah. And if you want, you can just pull these little fasteners off, but there's enough room in there to squeeze it down through the hole. I didn't have to take the switch panel off of mine or unplug anything because, well, it fits. So yeah, door panel loose. It's gonna sit in. This is gonna sit inside here. Usually you have, where the hell did it go? Usually you have a piece of trim that looks like, no, it's just a piece of rubber. Well, like what that one has. What you want to do is just, if you have a door handle, just flip your door handle up and stick your fingers in here and pick it up over the door lock and that lip, and just don't do that like a dumbass. So we will pull this part. Might steal that speaker. So we're gonna pull this off. Something's been in here already, doing some funky shit. I don't know. Had remote start on it, so I'd imagine that might be part of it. Pull fucking plastic off. So that bolt right there that holds this pillar in, if your wing window is 11. Mighty little do-walt. Out. And we're gonna take our 7mm and get on it like so. And pull these out. Did I say 11? That's 7. Well, shit, I don't remember what I said. But anyways, I'm trying to freaking hurry. Doing this one-handed isn't that great. And then there's one. And there's two. Slowly but surely. Ain't no Peter Rabbit one-handed, so I'm gonna stay the fuck out of Mr. McGregor's garden because I'm not gonna be able to earn him one-handed. Alright. Oh, goddamn. Oh, there it is. Okay, so once you get those two and that one out, you need to grab up here behind your window, felt, trim, rubber, whatever, and gently pull it out. So you could probably save it and reuse it someday if you're a cheap ass and don't like buying your truck new parts. Oh, the window is still good in this. What did I do? Sorry. Anyways, just grab your top, pull it out farther. And you'll see that brace, maybe. That one. What you want to do is turn it sideways and pull out kind of cattywampus. And voila. A one-armed bandit could have done this. There's one good wing window. So, let's go put it back in. One-armed bandit really couldn't put it in. He could take it out for you, but couldn't put it in. So, pretty much just a reverse process. Turn it sideways, drop it in, turn it back. When I first put it in, I like to, can't see shit. Oh, I like to go take the track and put it on the outside of the window. That way you can put all your rubber in nice and where it's supposed to be. And then pull the top back out and then put your window in the track. So, when you put it in, just make sure for your final fitment, just leave your screws kind of loose so you have a little wiggle room. And of course, make sure the bastard opens. And actually that one opens farther than my old one did, somehow. I don't know. But now, I'm gonna have to re-tint this window, because now people can see my peep show. So, just reverse order, putting the door panel back on. I'm sure you guys aren't a bunch of idiots. So, see you next time. Thanks for watching.